Greetings and welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about creating your most viable digital product. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, what is a most viable digital product? Well, your most viable digital product is a stripped down version of a product or service that you're going to create that contains just enough information and features that will attract early adopters so that you can collect valuable user feedback. Now, the primary goal of an MVDP is not to deliver a complete polished product, but to really validate your assumptions. You want to learn from real users so that you can really make changes based upon their insights. Now, this approach allows businesses like you to save time, money, and resources by focusing only on what truly matters to your target audience, which makes perfect sense. Now, what are some of the benefits of creating a most viable digital product? Well, there are quite a few. And first and foremost, you get the opportunity to get your product in front of your potential customers much faster. And second, you save time and resources by minimizing a lot of the risks that are usually associated with building a full-scale product that may or may not resonate with your target market. Now, this approach allows you to test the waters before you do a deep dive, and this allows you to avoid costly mistakes and potential product failures. Now, the third benefit is instead of spending months or years perfecting a product, you can actually get a functional version out to the marketplace swiftly. Now, fourth, when you have limited resources and you allocate it to creating your MVDP, you are compelled to really only prioritize the most critical features that align with your core value proposition. Now, what that means is that you're able to really hone in on those critical features that really align with what you're seeking to bring to the marketplace, your unique value proposition. Now let's talk about how to create a most viable digital product. First, you want to identify who is your target audience. Who is this product for? Second, you want to decide what type of digital product you want to create. I personally feel it should be an ebook, guide, or challenge, or a masterclass, workshop, or webinar, or a mini course. Now, these are listed in order of difficulty, and I believe that you should start with the easiest product to create first and then move up to the more difficult ones. Then you want to decide what will the outcomes be. So you want to decide what type of transformation are you going to take your target audience on? What's going to happen to them once they actually read your ebook or read your guide or take your challenge or attend your masterclass? Then you want to get clear on what the features are, and you want to get user feedback so that you can update and scale your product accordingly. So in conclusion, like we said before, in creating a most viable digital product, what you're essentially doing is you're taking a more strategic approach to product development. This approach is going to allow you to validate your ideas, engage with your ideal target audience, create and improve your product along the way. And then when you do this and you focus on your core value proposition, you'll be gathering that user feedback that you will need so that you can reduce your risk, minimize your costs, and you'll increase the probability of building and creating a successful and market-ready product. And that's what you want to do at the end. But here's what I want you to know, that now is the time and today is the day. Now is the time for you to step out on faith and create your first digital product doing what you love. And what I want to invite you to do is to join our VIP waitlist for the Turn Your Knowledge into Profits course and coaching program. Now, this course and coaching program is going to help you discover how to turn your knowledge and expertise into a profitable digital product in 30 days or less. The launch period is going to be from August 20th to August 25th. And I would encourage you to get on the VIP waitlist because you're going to want to know as soon as the doors open for this course. You're going to want to get involved. And basically, getting on the VIP waitlist will allow you to be one of the first notified, because I won't be working with everybody that wants to participate in the program. So by getting on the VIP waitlist, you'll guarantee to be the first notified, so you'll have first dibs on securing your seat in this program. So what I need you to do next is either click on the link above or below this video so that you can get on that VIP waitlist, and I will see you on the next video.